everyone. So in this video I wanted to do a gift review or just kind of give you some gift ideas since Christmas is fast approaching. In this one, as you can tell from the hoodie that I have on, this is going to be mainly Nike based. So I love wearing Nike, I love their leisure wear, I love some of their fashion outfits, and I just love just their basics, sneakers, boots, things like that. But I love a good hoodie, and so does my family. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys just some ideas so you can kind of go out there, check them out, see what you think, and of course I will leave the links down below. If you love videos like this where it's lifestyle, fashion, and just DIY products and makeup, things like that, I kind of just do well-rounded of the things that I love and love to share with you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So the first item that I picked up, this is from their Jordan line, and this is a really nice sweater. I love how this looks. It's super soft, but I love that it kind of gives off the print that it's, you know, like not that ugly Christmas sweater, but a traditional Christmas sweater with the knitting, but it's not knit, it's just the print that's on it. And then it has like the name Jordan going across, just, you know, written down here as well. And then it has it on the back, but this is really nice and I just love this. And I will link all of the prices and all of the things and where I found them as well in the description box, so don't worry, I've got you covered. I picked up, this is from their Love, Peace, or Peace, Love, and Basketball line. So this just came out, and I absolutely love this. I love how it's got like the zipper going across here so you can kind of stick some things in, stick a phone, everything, but you still have your side pockets. And it does come in the color black and also blue, and it has matching either shorts to go with it, or you can do the traditional sweatpants in the same color, and I'll insert a video of the pants that I got for this as well. So this was a really nice item that I picked up, and I'm very excited to give it. And then this is this is a sweatpant, and I just love how comfortable and nice these are. This is from their women's line, but I personally like shopping in the men's section. For some reason, I do find that the sweatpants in the men's section runs about $5 to $10 cheaper than the women's. I don't know why that is, but for me, I just love a really nice cozy, you know, either a cuffed ankle or just, you know, loose fit. But I just love all of their sweatpants. They're heavy duty, they last for a really long time, they're super comfortable, they wash well. But yeah, this is the loose fit ones, and then it just has, you know, like the traditional bottom of the pant. Sometimes they have like a thicker cuff of their sweatpants, and I'll show you like an idea of what I'm speaking of. Or sometimes they just have like the more wide leg. I prefer to have some kind of bunching towards the bottom, only because if you get the wider leg, it tends to fall over the bottom or the back of the shoe, and then if it's raining outside or snowing, that's when it can get really muddy and caked up and really wet. So I really like it when it has this type of ankle at the bottom, but this is really nice, really comfortable, and it's just, you know, just one of their basics. And I just love that it has the seam going down the middle, so it just kind of gives it a little bit more of a polished look than, you know, the traditional basic sweatpants. Next item, not to leave the little ones out, is, I want to say this is maybe their, I don't know, Galaxy. Again, I will leave all of the links down below for the specific names of each item so that you can track them down if that's something that you're looking for. But I just like to call this the Galaxy hoodie. So this is really nice. This just recently came out. This is really nice. It just has, again, like the basic pockets in the front. And it just has like the Nike in the front here as well, and then the back is plain, but it's just really nice. It has like that longer cuff, you know, sleeve, and it's really comfortable. And then the inside is just, you know, like all, you know, sweat things. It's just that really nice plush inside. So this is going to be a really nice addition for my son to have as he's at home homeschooling. They like to, you know, he just likes to wear something that's really cozy and warm while he's working, and this is going to be a really nice addition to his ever-growing hoodie collection. So the next item that I picked up, my husband is a huge Steelers fan, and so I wanted to get this for him, and I just liked that it was a different take on a Steelers or any sports team. They have a couple of different other sports teams available, but of course because he is a Steelers fan, I wanted to grab this one for him. But I just love how it has, you know, the actual like Velcro, like military here for Pittsburgh, and then it has like the name over here, and in the front, again, it just has like the side pockets, and I love how the inside of the hoodie has this print to it, really nice. And then the back is just more plain. Side is just the plain Nike logo here on the swoosh. But I just love how it just was a different take on just not the gold and black traditional colors of the Steelers. So it's just a little bit more, just something a little bit more unique and different. And I think with my father serving the military for so many years, this was a really nice nod to him as well, just to kind of pick that up. And so the next item that I picked this up probably, I want to say 2 weeks ago. And this is something, it's not a hoodie, but I just loved the emblem on the back, as you can see. But it's just a really nice satin trench. I like to have, or just wear things that are a little bit off the beaten path, things that are a little bit different, that I know not a lot of people will have. And I think with us traveling to Asia, you know, so many times, I just love that style. I like things that are just outside the box, that are really different. And so I picked this up, and right now they have in their coat section just a lot of different styles that are really unique for, you know, the warmer weather. But I just loved how chic this looks. It's really comfortable, it's very soft, and I just love the fact that you can kind of cinch the waist and cinch, you know, just like around the arms, things like that, so you can kind of tailor it to the way that you want it to fit as well. And I'll definitely insert some mod shots so you can kind of see how this looks. So, and the last couple of things that I wanted to touch on is, of course, shoes. So I recently, and I think I showed you guys in one of my other videos, I will link that up below for my fall lookbook, but just having crisp white shoes never hurts. I love these, kind of put a bling touch because that's just what I love doing. But these were just really fun just to kind of have these in my wardrobe. I didn't have any, I couldn't believe it, I didn't have any just Air Force Ones or just crisp white ones. Again, because I like having things that are just a little bit out off, you know, the beaten path and a little bit different. And so I was wearing these for quite some time, and this is their Air Force One, but it's a little bit more of a platform, and this is something that you can still find on Nike.com as well. But I just love how it was satin, and it had like this Velcro buckle going across the top. But I've had these for a while, and they do come in different colors. But I didn't have anything that was traditional, so if you don't have anybody that likes things that are just too out there, definitely going for either a black or a white Air Force One and just kind of changing that up is a really great idea. I did also pick some up for my husband, and I'll insert some pictures of that as well. But actually I'm having them custom done, so I'm having somebody paint them for me, for my husband, with his favorite team logo on them, and I will definitely be sharing a review on that in a upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. But I'm very excited, so I had to run those out to the person who was going to be working on them last night, so that's why I don't have them here to show you. But I just did like a quick video last night before I sent them out, so you can kind of see what I picked up and just what they look like. But they're just a basic Air Force One in his size, but I just wanted to kind of course, throw a little bit more, not glam into it, but just a little bit extra into it. And so I'm having those just custom painted with his team logo on them, and then I'll also link that down below as well as to where you can find someone to do that for you if that's something that you're looking for. So the next item, this is the Air Max, and I am not great with names. I will link all the links or the names and everything down below, but I want to say this is the Air Max 720/818. But I just love the quilting on the side. It's really different. I love the copper color. My husband wanted something that was just a little bit different, and I I love sneakers, he loves sneakers, and I'm pretty sure there's like millions of sneakerheads out there as well. But it's just, you know, it's nice to kind of just get away from like the basic sneaker, the basic, you know, Air Max, you know, 720s or Air Force Ones, and just have something a little bit different in your collection to give this holiday. And so I thought that this was a really nice option just to kind of have him wear, you know, just with a jean jacket or a leather blazer with some jeans, and just kind of have it be a little bit different. Now, I absolutely love these. This is the Air Force duck shoe, and of course I will link this down below as well, but I just love the texture that is on the front here, and it's waterproof. I've worn these in the snow, and it's got just a really good grip at the bottom, but I just love, you know, just it's almost like that 3D effect of the Nike swoosh on the side. It's really comfortable. I ended up picking up this for my sister. She's in Boston, so she gets a lot more snow than we do, and just, you know, more of like that brown or neutral color, so she can wear it with a lot more things. But I saw this in pink and I had to have it. I thought it was so cute, and yeah, they are really comfortable, and it's just, I like that it's just all kind of waterproof all the way around, and it just kind of keeps my toes really cozy. My feet get cold very easy, so this is a really easy and comfortable shoe to wear, and just has really great traction. Or you can just kind of style it with some jeans and a cute top and just kind of rock these around and just have something that's totally different. I get so many compliments when I wear these. I love them. They're really, really cute, and I think I definitely have to get these in black as well. So I thank you so much for joining me this week with these, you know, just gift tips, gift ideas, and I hope that it makes just, you know, looking for gifts for family and friends just a little bit easier and kind of give you some ideas. But I thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Happy holidays.